Hello YouTube, my name is Jeff and I am the owner of Profusion Pressure Washing, a local business here in Lexington, Kentucky. We are an exterior residential pressure and soft washing service, catering to Lexington and of course surrounding areas. This is actually the first video going up on the official YouTube channel and honestly I couldn't be more excited just because it's been a while and I've been waiting to launch my business and finally, in spring of 2020, we are officially open to the general public. So that's very exciting. But in this video, I'm going to be cleaning my buddy's driveway, as you can see. Very plain and simple, just a nice time lapse for your viewing pleasure. Whether you're here checking out my channel to see if my services fit your needs, or you're simply just watching for the satisfaction that comes with watching videos like this, because I know I love watching dirty driveways like this getting cleaned. It's very satisfying. Um, anyways, please, leave me a thumbs up to let me know you guys are enjoying this type of content. Of course, more to come over the coming months. Of course, it's peak season right now, so I should be getting plenty of content for the good old YouTube channel. But that's going to be all from me in this video. I hope you all enjoy. And would it really be a YouTube video if I didn't ask you guys to hit that subscribe button before you leave? I would greatly appreciate that, as it goes a long way, especially for a small business like me. Anyways, I'm just going to let the music ride out for the rest of the video. This has been Jeff with Profusion here in Lexington, KY. Thanks, guys.